Welcome back to Home Decor. Today we are diving into something that every kitchen lover adores. Smart and practical kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier, faster and more fun. Let's begin with a must-have, the egg cutter. This small tool may seem simple, but it saves so much time when preparing salads, sandwiches or even garnishing. With just one press, it slices your boiled eggs into perfect even pieces. No mess, no fuss. You can choose from vertical wire cutters, push style slicers, or multifunctional designs that handle both slicing and wedging. Now, moving on to another essential, the slice cutter. Whether you are cutting fruits like apples and kiwis or veggies like cucumber and carrots, this gadget is a game changer. Manual slice cutters come with adjustable thickness settings so you can go from thin to thick slices effortlessly. They are perfect for preparing veggies for a salad or slicing potatoes for homemade chips. And how about a manual chopper? This gadget is ideal for chopping onions, garlic, chilies, and tomatoes without bringing tears to your eyes. Pull the string or press the lid, and your ingredients are chopped quickly and uniformly. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday use. Let's not forget the handheld spiralizer. If you are a fan of zoodles, zucchini noodles, or like to give a decorative twist to your salads, this one is for you. It turns your vegetable into beautiful spirals that not only look stunning but also cook faster. Another incredibly helpful gadget is the multi-blade herb cutter. Fresh herbs like coriander, mint, and basil can be hard to chop finely, but not with this cutter. Just run the scissors through your herbs and get perfectly cut greens in seconds. Up next is the garlic press, a true time saver. No more peeling, smashing, and chopping by hand. Just place the garlic clove inside, press, and you have perfectly minced garlic. It enhances the flavor and saves you from sticky fingers. Let's talk about the manual juicer now. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and limes can be juiced quickly using this handy tool. It separates seeds automatically and gives you fresh juice for your drinks, marinades, or morning detox water. Another favorite in many kitchens is the vegetable peeler. It's not just for potatoes with new designs. Peelers now come with dual options too. Great for garnishing or making veggie noodles. Some even include ceramic blades for smoother peeling. Next up is a multi-use vegetable cutter with grater. This all-in-one gadget is loved for its multiple blades. You can grate cheese, slice cucumbers, shred cabbage, and even julienne carrots. More design come with a catch tray so your counters stay clean. If you love baking or need precision, a measuring spoon and cup set is essential. These are especially helpful for baking where exact measurements matter. Look for stainless steel or cooler coated plastic ones. They are fun and functional. Have you ever seen a corn stripper? This little gadget removes corn kernels from the cob with minimal waste and no flying kernels. It's great for salad, soups, and salsas. And here is a quirky one, the banana slicer. Perfectly even banana slicer every time, especially used for your preparing snacks for kids or decorating desserts. Now let's mention a small yet powerful tool, the manual whisk. Perfect for mixing eggs, whipping cream, or stirring batter. It takes less space than an electric mixer and gets the job done for everyday needs. And if you are into healthy eating, you'll appreciate the manual salad spinner. Washing and drying leafy greens become a breeze. Just spin out the water and your lettuce is ready to go into a fresh bowl. Finally, no modern kitchen is complete without storage gadgets. Manual vacuum sealers, stackable jars, and collapsible containers help you keep your ingredients fresh and your shelves organized. These kitchen tools aren't just about saving time, they bring efficiency, cleanliness, and joy to your cooking. They make your kitchen feel more organized and even inspire you to try new recipes. Thanks for watching Home Decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite kitchen gadget.